Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I will show you how to learn Japanese alphabet writing that you can download from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. And as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here search in Japanese writing, Japanese alphabet. Here it is. And before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learning extremely fast and stress-free, practice writing with guides before testing yourself, fun and effective workouts. So as you can see, Hiragana, Katakana, you should be able to learn this, and as well as you are able to practice writing. So this will be the interface, as you can see, and you will have the option to answer a question, be a multiple choice, and that's it. So let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know the Japanese alphabet writing right away and start to learn Japanese language. Practice lots of tests offline. So I just want to let you know the features available with the Japanese alphabet writing. So practice writing with guides before testing yourself, making learning extremely fast and stress-free. A free Japanese alphabet include both Kanji letters and Hiragana letters. Practice with Japanese letters offline. With Japanese alphabet writing, you can write anywhere. No longer be restricted to writing only when you have paper or and so on. All right, it's done. Let's open it, and here it is. So first, you should practice this one here. You should memorize it. This is a Japanese way of writing. This is katakana and hiragana. I'm sorry, this is hiragana and katakana. This is the katakana. So just tap that one, and if you wanna go in here, you will have this option. So learning, we are on the learning, and then tests here. Create a custom test if you want to, or you can just go with this one. You can start answering this right away if you already know the basics, the hiragana and katakana. So you have to tap this, listen, and then choose the correct answer. Like for example, this one, submit. Okay, it's wrong, just proceed to the next one, and then there. So what's that? So it's u. You have to write it like this, and then that, and then like that. So you will be guided on how to properly write it. Tap to continue, and then you're gonna have to answer another set of multiple choice there, and then next, then u. Try to write. So try, if you remember, it's going to be like that there. So you have to complete it if you wanna go. So I'm going to cancel from here. So I already know the basics, the hiragana, katakana. You can scroll down, look for more advanced if you want to. So this one here, it is still hiragana, katakana up until here. So then this one here is another game, another similar application you might be interested to install. So it's just hiragana and katakana, and this one here is other learning apps. Okay, so you wanna also try that one. You can also do it. And then learning via videos. So this is where you wanna watch a video on how Japanese works. There they have this one as well. So Japanese alphabet, katakana, hiragana and katakana. So you have the option to watch this depending on your learning capabilities. You can practice it visually, like by watching this, or you can practice it by writing. So it's up to you. Just choose a topic in here, or choose a video, and then play it. I'm not going to do that since I already know hiragana and katakana, since I've been practicing Japanese a few years ago. So I already know the basics. So if you go to settings, you will see this option. So you have the option to change the language there, search your language, and then you can increase the font size, make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you there. enable snapping, auto snap draw objects correct path, then share app, rate app, and privacy policy. So it's up to you, and log in and become a VIP. This is where you can upgrade your version of this application. So let's try to go back to the learning there. So just go one by one. Okay, start from here. If you don't know Japanese writing, if you don't know hiragana, then start here. Tap this one, and then you will be guided on how to properly write it. So you have to follow the strokes and then tap to continue. Okay, that's how you write it, and then this time you will not be guided, so make sure to memorize it there. Then you can compare it if you want to. So it's correct. Next one is I or E. I'm sorry, E. It's E. So you should write it. Follow the strokes. Okay, let's go with the I. There, and then tap to continue, and then write it again. There. So this will teach you how to write it properly. So just follow the strokes there. Tap to continue, then write it again there, and the next character. Oops, I'm already done with that. Next, so E. So I already know all of this actually. Katakana as well. I already know. I already memorized katakana. So this is hiragana. I have done this already. I have memorized this. I'm able to write it hiragana as well. Katakana and hiragana. The same thing in here. You just have to tap it and then there practice writing. So it's really simple and easy to use. This is really good for practicing the hiragana katakana language. So if you want to go with the more advanced, then watch some of my videos. I have a kanji application that is right for you. So this is the beginner application, hiragana katakana. Once you already know this, then you have to install the other one, the kanji, which is more difficult to learn. So there's actually nothing much in here. So these three here are the similar apps that you can also download from Play Store. And then if you want to watch a video on how to write it properly, you can also learn it by videos, or you can tap this learning by videos, via videos. And test is where you want to practice your memory to enhance your Japanese skills. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.